Hello everyone, I am Lakmini Herath. I am going to present my research on autism spectrum disorder diagnosis support model using Inception v3. These are the other authors who contributed to this research. First, I'll give a brief introduction about autism spectrum disorder. Autism spectrum disorder is a common multifactorial neurological disorder that affects the development of the brain with numerous disabilities. Autism is commonly available among small children. According to the WHO report, the global ratio of ASD is 1 in 160 children, and according to the Center for Disease Control and Prevention in the USA, the ratio is 1 in 59 children. In Sri Lanka, the rate of diagnosis of ASD among 18 to 24 months children is 1.07%, and boys have higher probability of being diagnosed ASD than girls. The most commonly available ASD symptoms are lack of eye contact, speech and communication difficulties, issues in social interactions. So, different brain regions are responsible for occurring of these symptoms. So, these symptoms can be monitored as functional activities using brain imaging techniques like fMRI. This study addressed the problem of failing to detect symptoms of ASD at the early stages, reduces the probability of minimizing the effects through therapy. Let's look at what is the motivation behind this study. ASD prevails throughout the entire life of a person. Actually, it begins in early childhood and continues to adulthood. Currently, there is no specific and objective medical test to diagnose ASD. The current clinical practice is typically based on behavior analysis of a child. The doctors use two basic methods to diagnose ASD. One is based on the reports from parents and teachers, and other one is ASMB5 or ICD-10 standard assessment test. So these clinical tests are highly subjective. Another issue is people who involved in this diagnosis process may have lack of experience and training, and this may lead to misdiagnosis of the children of the ASD. The novelty of the study is investigate the adaptation of pre-trained ImageNet weights on the Inception v3 model to classify ASD from controls using raw fMRI data, and the study proposed a method to convert the raw 4D fMRI images to 2D images, EPI, StatMap and glass brain images, while considering the sagittal, coronal and axial views of brain volumes. The Inception v3 model was trained with and without ImageNet weights to investigate the weights transferring of different target domains. I'll explain some background related to this study. Functional magnetic resonance imaging or fMRI measures brain activities by detecting changes associated with blood flow. So the blood flow and neural activities are correlated to each other. So when the blood flow is high, then the neurons are highly active. So we can use it to understand the neurological and physiological changes associated with neurodevelopment disorders. Machine learning approaches are used widely in medical applications because it has an interesting capability for extracting valuable information from medical data sets. But still it has some issues on medical applications. One is availability of sufficient label databases. Another is feature engineering process which takes more time and need more knowledge. So as solution to these issues, deep learning is introduced. Deep learning is a branch of machine learning, and it extracts the prominent features from the raw input data automatically and through a hierarchical sequence of nonlinear transformations. Convolutional neural networks are widely used in deep learning. Deep learning also have some issues in medical applications. The capacity of the available medical databases are small because a large number of data is needed to train a deep learning model, and due to these reasons deep learning models suffer from overfitting. So in order to reduce the overfitting, another approach called transfer learning was introduced. In transfer learning, the network is trained using large data set, including various images which are belong to different categories. After that, the pre-trained network is fine-tuned with specific set of images. So this fine-tuning depends on size of the data set and the domain of the data set. Now I am going to discuss the proposed methodology for classify ASD from controls. Here I have used two data sets, ABDI E1 and 2, which are available publicly. The ABDI E datasets consist of 17 different image sites. For this study I choose one, the KKI dataset, and I select sample group as age between 0 to 12 years. So sample dataset consists with 69 ASD subjects and 69 control subjects. This is the overall workflow of the proposed method. First, 4D fMRI images were transformed to 2D images. Then the neural network was trained using transfer learning approach. Then the results were evaluated using 5 methods: accuracy, precision, specificity, sensitivity, and F1 score. As the first step, 4D fMRI images transformed to 3 types of 2D images. Echoplanar images acquire the functional or diffusion MRI data. Then the StatMap images, then glass brain images. The glass brain images represent the 3D view of the brain. The EPI images and StatMap images view the 2D view of the brain. 4D fMRI image consists of series of 3D volumes along the fourth axis, the time. The 4D to 2D image transformation done by selecting a random slice from each volume in 3 different axes, the sagittal, coronal and axial. The number of 2D output images generated for one direction is totally 20,500 for each image format. Further, the training data set was artificially increased by using data augmentation. For data augmentation, I have applied rescaling, sharing, zooming, rotation, height and width shift operations. Let's look at transfer learning settings with convolutional neural network. Inception V3 model, which is trained on an ImageNet dataset, is widely applied in medical transfer learning applications. So here I have selected the Inception V3 model as my pre-trained model. Then the output layers are adapted accordingly to classify the ASD from controls. For that, combination of global average Pooling layer, dropout layers, dense layers and flattened layers were used. Then the convolutional neural network was trained in two distinct ways. MED1, the initialize the inception V3 by ImageNet weights, and MED2 initialize the inception V3 by random weights. So each method is convolutional neural network was trained with 9 different data sets belong to 3 different image plotting types. The initial pre-trained Inception V3 model was trained to classify 1000 categories. So I have adapted it to classify 2 categories, ASD and non-ASD. The network was trained in 2 ways. One is transferring the pre-trained ImageNet weights and other one is the weights are initializing using random weights. This table illustrates the precision, recall or sensitivity, specificity, F1 score, accuracy of MED1 and MED2 methods. The accuracy value obtained from MED1 was greater than 97% for all image types, while it is less than 75% for MED2. When the two methods are compared, it is clearly visible that the network trained with ImageNet weights gives better result than random weights in all image types. The highest accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, precision and F1 score obtained in the axial view of glass brain images. When we compare the average value of two methods, the highest average accuracy value of 98.35% observed in EPI images and 98.24 value percent observed in glass brain images. The graph shows that both EPI and glass brain images give better results than StatMap images in both methods. This table provides a few comparisons related with other studies, various research conduct using various images in various ways. Husna and team used two convolutional neural network variants of BGG16 and ResNet50 to identify ASD patients using fMRI, and she obtained the accuracy of 63.4% and 87% for each networks. So Dominic have used pre-trained Inception ResNet V2 model with transfer learning on the augmented EPI dataset and achieved the accuracy of 57.75%. Then Ahmed and group have developed an image generator to generate state map and glass brain images using pre-processed fMRI images. So the images were classified using assembled classifiers, and those classifiers are combined with 4 different types of pre-trained networks, DenseNet, ResNet, Inception V3, Exception, and obtained the accuracy of 82.70. The proposed study achieved the accuracy value of 98.35% for EPI images and the average value of 96.76% for StatMap images and 98.24% average value for glass brain images. The study has introduced the transfer learning based approach to identify the ASD using fMRI images. The highest classification accuracy of the pre-trained Inception V3 model with ImageNet weights were observed at 98.35% in EPI image categories. So this research concludes that the transfer the pre-trained weights with ImageNet to a highly diverse medical image domain with high accuracy with smaller number of sample data. So for future directions, we can implement a universal model to identify ASD subject. It needed to experiment with all other sites of the ABDIE dataset. And this underlying method opens up a new way of developing a computational model to identify ASD subjects using raw images. And it decreases the computational cost compared to other studies which are beneficial to develop an efficient computational model with necessary improvements. Thank you.